Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm sharing two different iced tea flavors which will be perfect for this summer. These are caffeine free, guilt free, and packed with natural goodness. Hope you'll enjoy. Starting with my favorite Rooibos Hibiscus Peach Mint, I am taking Rooibos Hibiscus tea and brewing with some warm water. You can also take just Rooibos or Hibiscus, it will not be that different. Cover and brew for a couple of minutes. Once done, let it come to room temperature. If you like, you can sweeten with a bit of honey and mix well. In a glass or pitcher, take peach slices, some ice, some mint leaves, and add the brewed tea. Give it some time to absorb all the good flavors and serve chilled. Enjoy the delicious blend, it will be absolutely relaxing. Next, I'm making camomile-black grapes iced tea. This is something I tried in a local restaurant and absolutely fell in love with the flavor. This is super simple yet a very soothing and relaxing blend. For this, I'm brewing some chamomile tea. Once done, sweeten with honey if you want and set aside. Take some black grapes in a glass, muddle the grapes to get the maximum flavor. Add some ice cubes and some more grapes and then top with tea. This tea tastes best with black grapes, so don't substitute it with anything else. Do give it a try and let me know how it goes. Hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you.